I'm in.
Finally.
It was finally. Finally, Ethan's here.
Finally. Like Jesus.
Lock in.
It's feeding.
Do we all have the expansion or no?
No.
No.
Can you buy it like right now? Thank you.
Heck was that?
Does everybody see a scrappa? I don't really need a certain thing.
Nope.
A scrapper?
No,
Scrapper.
Oh.
Is that what it's called? A scrapper?
No, you can't say that word.
What can I say?
You can say scrappa.
Scrappa?
Yes. Hard work pays off.
That's Torbjorn.
Okay, what about experience?
Bro, you take it,
tranquility?
bitch.
Because I
Zenyatta.
literally paid for that.
Bro, you paid for the other one.
Well, I was gonna pay for that, but then you paid for it. So was like,
What's
okay,
you
thank
take the
you.
loot?
Nah, you literally looked at me while I walked over there and you grabbed it. You wanked that shit. Hope you like it, bitch.
Well, it's useless, so do me your favor.
Oh, what?
Grab
Yo,
that shit
you
and give
doing
it
a
to me, bro.
favor.
It's useless. It's not useless,
I'm
bro.
literally taking the voice line straight from the fucking.
Got their ass.
That's Kiriko.
Yep.
Wow. That was not hard.
Okay, what about
Let me buy this fucking podium thing or totem.
what
Three
about
things you need to buy.
want some candy?
Okay, that's it. Let's go.
Alright.
Yeah,
What the
Torbjorn.
fuck is killing me? Or what's happening to me? So dark in here. Oh my god.
It's because you're inside the void.
Scolarity band.
Okay, so what about look alive out there?
Why does Jimmy have so many more items than everyone?
What?
Nothing.
That's what I thought.
Greedy pig.
What?
Nothing.
Wandering vagrants.
Oh, fuck. Run.
Is it bombing? Is it blowing up?
Yeah. That hurt.
That didn't hurt me. Bam.
Oh, I got two.
You
Dang
got
it.
both these
Bro, I thought you had to press it. I just walked near it and it gave me it.
stupid motherfucker.
Bro, what? What? Do not teleport instantly.
What do you need to buy?
S.
Alright, you guys ready to leave?
So
No.
are you playing
yeah.
paint or something?
Let's go.
Jay's
Don't
using
do
his
it.
thing. Hurry, Jay,
Dude,
hurry.
Bro!
Hurry! Hurry!
Freaking bum.
Oh shit, something's going on over there. Holy fuck, I was mistaken.
Oh, I forgot. You got
Okay,
you get
Jay,
0
who's
money
this
every time.
Gino?
Give me this war horn.
That thing is horrible.
You don't gotta bring him down like that.
It's... Bro, has anyone seen a rusty lockbox?
Nope.
No!
Why?
We just haven't. I'm ready to start
I'm on
too.
fire, but this
Yep.
witch doesn't burn.
Yep.
No, we have to fight that.
I wasn't ready.
I'm not near you guys. Am I gonna make it? Wait.
That's
Wow.
Oh,
one
ukulele.
each. One each, guys. One each.
Yeah, yeah.
Motherfuckers.
I did so much.
Teleport?
Damn.
Why can't we teleport?
Because there's still loot on the stage that we can get, and it's league free. We already have money.
We.
We have more money than you.
Yeah, we have way less money than all you guys. I'm doing you guys a favor.
There's nothing to buy over here, bro. You're fucking tweaking. Alright, I think we leave.
We can leave.
Wait, let me buy this.
Noob.
Nope.
I don't. I guess not.
I'm joking.
Now he's gonna
Ooh,
load and
lobster,
the
that's
boy
Oh,
thing
that's a
will try you.
lobster?
He'll kill you instantly.
Oh my. Okay.
Oh,
I
yeah.
just got insta killed.
Yeah. Yeah. I got a focus crystal if you want it.
The portal here.
Hey, you should go get this
Yeah,
focus crystal.
Yeah.
Flashing from plant to plant.
Thank you, baby.
No problem, dude.
Oh my god.
Holy
Why are you
shit.
gambling your money away?
Nothing, bro. I'm fucking dog shit. I got a sticky bomb.
Nice.
I'm on fire,
This is almost $1,600. You want to buy
Cassidy.
it?
Nope.
everybody.
Probably something good, bro.
No.
Get money, Jay. Please, I need a fucking hurry, get money.
Bro, I'm trying to earn.
You're big
Not helping,
earner,
bro.
guy.
Hurry.
Another clay Doomstrider.
It's blazing this time, so it has a bunch of HP. Just a bunch of BS. Actually, killing me. I'm gonna get sucked. Don't suck me.
You got it.
There's about to be so many items.
Oh, yeah.
Please tell me they're good.
Holy shit. Get out of here.
Yay.
Alright. You're back, baby.
Finally.
God damn it.
Sorry, Jay was taking forever.
What?
Oh, it's this guy.
Parent?
And it's dead. Giant blob. Are you serious?
Nah. Dude, I was gonna buy that. Jerk.
Ah.
You jerk. Oh, I'm off the map by like so far. My watches! No! My watches, dude. Are you kidding me? I didn't even die. Just, dude, screw you. This game. You get the blue
I'm
one.
dying! Oh!
Oh crap! I got grabbed. I
died.
got grabbed. I got grabbed. I got grabbed. Let me go.
Oh, no.
Jay, you have to carry.
Dude, their hands move around too much. Dink.
You're the only one alive.
I'm dying
shit.
again. What the heck? Oh my.
Oh
I'm dead.
my
I can't go back
god.
my cover, please. What the heck is
Oh.
that? Why am I dying?
It
Why
might
am
be
I dying?
over.
Why am I
Fire
dying?
times 6, dude.
You might. This might be the end.
Come on, Weezing Bungus.
Oh!
Yes.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Oh great. I got hit by it before I jumped. What is that? What does that mean? Does that mean death?
Oh, you're burning.
Why? I
Okay, not
stopped.
anymore.
Good thing with Blast Shower.
I think that's the burn move.
That's just some bull crap right there. That's what that is.
The massive
Oh, you're
AoE burn.
You're doing a lot of damage.
Yeah. Oh, he died.
Oh,
I just popped.
What the hell?
Oh.
Alright, we made it.
thought it was
No.
over, but guess not. I think I'm gonna die in like 1 second. That's like nothing.
Believe in yourself.
Okay. I think
No, I bugged it, bro. I can't. I'm up
Okay.
here, but nothing's
Go
happening.
go inside. You go inside?
No
Is
way,
that a
this is
portal?
gonna kill me.
Is it
No.
gonna kill me?
No, no, I won't.
Are you are you kidding me?
You just let him have it.
Part is dead.
No.
Yeah.
Sucks. I'm in.
Hi.
Jimmy's on top of the thing.
My buddy's teleported in. Let's go.
Holy shit, bro. He's getting fucked up
This
right now.
ability is so broken.
Yeah, like what?
I guess freeze him. Hey, don't kill me though. That would not be cool. Die.
Oh, he's jumping.
Wow.
He's dead.
Okay, that's it? That's it?
He's gonna come back.
Third phase.
He's moving way too fast.
Bro, I can't see him! Okay, done. Where is he?
Wait, does he get that map or? Please tell me they stay on my side.
Oh, you still have some of your items. What the fuck?
Yeah, because they're useless.
Oh. Nice.
What just happened? Okay.
He gave it back.
She just popped. I didn't even have any items he popped. Why there's so many enemies, bro? Oh, I won?
What? Yep.
Yay!
Yay! Jay did it.
Yep. The planet's imploding.
It's gone. Wow.
All gone.
Wow.